This is Lego Big Dog 2. I made this model about a year ago. It was the second quadruped robot that I made. I wanted to come back and revisit this model with a few additional features. That first one didn't turn, so some steering would be great and some stabilization would be wonderful. And also, there's this model here where I made these compliant legs in order to get over rough terrain, and I think that those might help it get a little bit more spring. So I rebuilt that model, and as you can see, that first attempt didn't work at all. So I made some adjustments, sort of got it working. And I made some additional adjustments, and I put one of those compliant legs on there just to see what would happen, and it looks like it's working okay. And I stiffened it up there so that spring's a little bit tighter. And now I've done a lot more work on the geometry of the legs and put those compliant feet on the bottom, flipped them around, and he's working well. As you can see, all of the feet are coming off of the ground, but those front legs are really jumping up into the air there. Alright, so last adjustment's made. He's just going to make a slow little walk here. I just had to check out what those legs were doing. But this does give a really good example of those feet working. Feet are made out of the silicon coating on a wire whisk and the end cap to a shelf. So now here you can see that I got turning working for it. It's turning pretty good actually. Here's a close-up turning left. And a close-up turning right. Alright, so this is stabilization. As you can see, it'll just fall over without stabilization. I had a few ideas. This is the only one I managed to execute here. So now I'm working on trying to get it to gallop, like with Big Dog 1. Oh, something caught there. Okay, I'm going to call that gallop achieved right there. I didn't really design this thing to do that, so I'm going to call that good enough. Now I'm looking for a trot. So here the front legs are going to be offset from each other by 90 degrees, and the back legs are going to be offset from each other by 90 degrees, and the back and front legs are offset from each other by 180 degrees. Except I think I got something wrong right there. So make some adjustments and try it again. And that's looking a little bit better. I'd like to come back to this project in the future again and get maybe a larger frame to work on and get all of these things working together. and maybe try to get a way to get a longer stride so it can get a little bit more speed, a little bit more power, another motor or something like that. But we'll see. And anyway, for now, I think I'm ready to be done with this project. So I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.